Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you the record tool. The record tool can be used to create expressions for your characters. You can change from one expression to the other. So for demonstration, I'm going to choose a cute little girl over here and I'm going to make her big so that you can see her face clearly. Yep, there you go. So when I click on the character, you'll see that two menus pop up. One is the character settings menu to your right, and the other one is the item menu above the character. So the record tool is inside the item menu. It's this circle icon. I click on it and I click start, and as you can see, a white pin has come over here. Now this white pin signifies the first expression of your character. Now, if I want to change the expression, I just have to go to the right and say choose the sad expression and just add a pin. If I want something else, I can choose the shocked expression, add another pin. I'm gonna have the confused expression, add a pin, and I'm gonna add the half smiley. Yep, there it goes. Add a pin, and let's just see what we have over here. See the multitude of expressions that is possible? Now, you can change the timing of these expressions by adjusting the pins over here, and it's that simple. So, with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. You can play with the record tool and make your videos more rich by changing the expression of your character according to the situation. If you have more doubts, you can just reach out to us. For now, it's bye-bye.